to that.
Fuel costs money, big man thing.
He was in eco mode as well. He was like probably POV mode there. But yo, run with the specs on this thing.
So basically, yeah, when we were doing this, VW already got in contact with us, isn't it? They go, yo, I go to them, basically already that does it. They go, yeah, no worries. They go, yeah, we got this 4-pot does it here.
Nah.
Put this in, I go, yeah, bless.
Yeah, but let's give him the legit.
Oh, stock internals.
Yeah.
4-inch track slag, downpipe, Ramair intake, full custom valved exhaust
Yeah.
done by
one and only Tony Banks.
That's it.
Yo, that's the best thing on this car is it doesn't sound like every other
TSI tin fucking shits.
That's what they sound like, innit?
Yeah.
And then the best map in the game.
Unicorn
Unicorn Developments. 500 brake, 611 newton meters of torque in it.
That was on stock clutch as well.
Yeah. That was stock clutch.
We
We didn't know that if we had the
performance clutch in it or not.
Oh, no. But I can tell you that much. Fucking hell. Bro, this thing's a weapon, fam.
The way they've mapped it is unreal. First and second is limited torque, and it just keeps traction controls working overtime. It's getting paid to do overtime these days.
But it's got like one of the best maps in the game on this car. Switchable. Mate, you could probably get all this done. Bear in mind, half of the stuff it's got a Airtec Intercooler as well. I don't know if you pointed that out.
No, we got that. So high pressure fuel pump, this internals. Golf R injectors. Yeah. The low pressure is still the same.
Yeah, so it's on stock low pressure fuel pump, which if we wanted anything over 5s,
bang on fucking numbers, we made 491.
Yeah.
That's a bang on exact numbers.
But we got a bit of stretch now.
That's third gear pull. That's with traction on.
Traction on. Like I was saying before. So this has got a traction on map. So when the traction's on, is legit fighting for grip. So it's not like these other mappers that
rev round straight away.
Straight away, it'll just bounce all the way through to a limiter. Well, I'll turn traction off now, and you'll just hear it just go all the way around, second gear. Bloody hell, this thing's quick, man.
The brakes are doing bits.
Yeah, forgot about the brakes. Forge Motorsport brakes on it as well. Just recently added to the collection. Big old 6-pots.
They do bits.
They legit help with the stopping on this car now. First time round. Tell them the experience when we built it.
Yo, they should watch the video. Should watch that video. Yo, they were little.
You need to watch that video. Them
all I'm gonna say is with the stock brake, I could do heel and toe.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna teach myself to do it again.
Yeah.
Because that's how sharp they are.
But we might not be giving the best reaction in these videos because we've had this car for over like 2 years now, and it's been mapped for about a year.
Yeah.
Going strong. Power as well. But again, like I was saying, the traction map situation. So when it's got it on, it'll fight all the way through. When you got it turned off, you'll hear it now.
No, I was in third.
Yeah, well, it was in the crappiest gear possible, where it won't spin that much. Let's get around this cyclist so he doesn't get a bit hurt by him. So that's there. See, it wouldn't let it spin. That's what he was trying to do. He was trying to bite. So what it does is basically limits the power. Well, limits the torque. Sorry. But in this car, the way they mapped it as well, it's like third and fourth are like the pulling gears. First and second are quite limited.
Yeah.
Because they're trying to obviously save the spin.
Yeah.
But bro, it still lights up the wheels. 611 newton meters. Silly. I'll give you another second gear on display.
60, innit? They're all in 60.
Fuck me, sausage. Alright, chill. I'm gonna put a disclaimer, I'm the worst passenger ever. I'm the worst passenger. He'll tell you that.
Sauce! Yeah?
So best in the game, Unicode development for a Mark 7 platform.
Yo, lethal.
You can't beat them.
They obviously figured out now, rolling launch, no lift shift. Obviously, we need to send it back again.
He needs to send it back.
But I ain't money much like this, brother. Here,
I blew the golf out. That's why he calls me money bitch, innit?
Hey, you're doing that for fun now. Just blowing the thing up.
Bro, this thing's a weapon. If you can buy a Mark 7, I would always recommend. What would you say?
Yeah, 100%.
Over the Mark 6 platform.
Oh, 100%. If you want to get 500 brake and spend less money, obviously they're both same price, isn't it?
Yeah, but
to get 500 in a
brake
Mark 6,
easier, what would you suggest?
I'll go for this. If you want numbers and fast car, I'll go for the platform, Mark 7 platform.
Yeah.
Or any of them in an MQB platform.
Yeah, MQB for like quicker power MQB is the way, because the Mark 6 platform you need to fully forge them.
And just to put it in there, most of the parts are second hand. The turbo was second hand, intercooler was second hand, and Ramair intake was brand new because they were selling them for fucking same price as the new one.
Yeah.
So we thought, well, fuck it, we'll just buy a new one. You can hear it when it hits third and fourth.
That it pulls a bit stronger.
The only shit thing I don't like about these manual boxes, the fourth gear is right short.
Yeah.
If the Mark 7 are watching, and they are, I think the stock ones are the same. I fucking can't remember, the stock was a long time ago, but I'm guessing they're all the same. The fourth gear is right short for some reason. I wish I could have fourth even longer. Well, that meaning we'll have to change the box, but what box do we go with?
That's it.
Yeah.
DQ 500 it. RS3 swap it.
Man's playing my game on me now. When I was sat there, I said to you, they want to see an RS3 swap, brother wants to fucking play the game with me. Obviously, fueling wise, everything's brand new. The high pressure fuel pump was brand new.
Yeah. So
obviously, Vista were bringing out a new one, weren't they?
Yeah.
So that's what we waited.
We had to wait for the new
Gen 3 one.
Yeah. But like I say, so fueling side of things is all brand new, other than the injectors. But we sent them to Airtec to get refurbed and tested, so they're like brand new. Because obviously, who wants to pay for new injectors?
You're paying ridiculous money, innit?
Yeah.
But you can buy second hand ones, 100 quid. Well, that's what we paid, 100 quid, innit?
Yeah, that's what, like we just said. Everything on this car is basically second hand. But if I tell you the pricing of this car, which we're going to keep a secret, if you're close, you know what the pricing is of it.
If you know who we are, you know what we paid for it.
So
basically, fuck all.
The spool up is lethal on this.
It's got a TTV4 on it.
Yeah. That's the hybrid. Yeah, that's the hybrid it's got. Bloody hell, it moves. Turn traction on.
Yeah. I'm fucking wasting my money.
Weapon! I can't even starting on the belt now, innit?
You're stuck.
He's
fucking stuck, mush.
I'm stuck. The car's stuck, man. But like we say, what's the future plans with it? That's the question.
I don't know, what do they want to see?
Comment below if you want to see anything else on this car.
Obviously, we are going to resend it.
Yeah.
We'll change the low pressure fuel.
We want to change the low pressure fuel pump, but send it for a bit more. But so far, far it's been reliable. So when you look at a reliability side, it's
that's the
not bad.
thing. That's the thing.
And then how much do you need? The road finishes up to a certain point.
Yeah. Where it is now, it's fucking bad.
I know 500 nowadays doesn't sound like a lot.
But until you sit in one, especially in a manual one, because manual feels different.
Oh yeah.
Auto, you're just planning your
Obviously,
foot.
auto could get boring after a bit.
Yeah, you can get more power and more torque. Obviously, they're stronger boxes, but manual's one of them ones where it feels good. You put any fucking guy who drives an auto, put him in a manual one, he'll automatically say, "Yo, this feels quicker than mine."
Yeah.
Because it's just that you got to do more, innit? You got to fucking.
Because there's more engagement, like they say, so it's more fun. And it puts in your head that this thing's a lot faster.
This thing don't have pops and bangs. I think that's the main thing that's kept this engine going touch wood.
It might blow up tomorrow, God knows, innit? But so far, this is one of the cars in our fleet that didn't have pops and bangs.
I think we were over it.
Yeah, we got to a point where on a different car we had a lot of them. So. Set up, it still goes around B roads. Where my Golf 4 is all top end now, that it takes the fun out of it. That's like a straight line car now because of his big turbo. Unless I go back to a DTE 480 or something like that, some hybrid setup, that would be way better.
First gear.
Yeah, we can do. Watch the dip on the road. Induction in there.
Trying to make it flutter, but we won't do it. It's not having it. I think the next things are fucking anti-roll bars and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Make it a bit more tighter.
Yeah, a bit more suspension work here would be nice.
I think we might go Colo. Yeah, he is on H&Rs, isn't it? 35s.
Yeah, suspension wise and that. And everything like stock in it, which H&Rs. Yeah. Other than that, underneath all stock and everything.
So, get some sponsors.
Supercar killer. That's what we call it. I don't know. I might upload the Golf R video or I might upload the POV of this car. So yeah, stay tuned. Again, suggest what you want to see. Follow our like and subscribe and them thing there. Yeah,
and say boom.
Yeah, that's the catchphrase like this guy said. Yeah. Till the next one again. Suggest what project we should get in and stuff like that. So again, one more time. Boom. Part of it. Boom.